One of the easy growing house plant, a permanent plant, low maintenance plant and a hardy plant, wandering Jew. This you can grow with a single stem cutting in water or else in direct soil. So this is one plant that is very colorful and also looks so elegant when you put it in your garden. Very easy to grow and one of the low maintenance and a busy gardener's plant. Welcome back to Tamara's garden. Today I will be showing you this beautiful wandering Jew plant and how to grow it and some care tips of growing the same plant. So stay tuned to my channel and if you are new, consider to subscribe. Here I have a small cutting of wandering Jew and you can grow them in water. Simply take a water glass and you can propagate it very easily by keep it in water. So these plants also are wonderful plants because you can grow them from simple cuttings in water and also direct soil. So this plant prefers the semi-shade. You can keep it in a place where it gets a partial to medium sunlight. Do not put it in the bright direct sunlight area. This plant is a low maintenance plant, so you can grow them without any fertilizer. With or without fertilizer, you can grow them very easily. So see to a stem cutting, take a stem cutting from the plant. Now here if I take this one, a small cutting I will take. Look at this. Now you can simply put this in soil or in water and you will see the growth of this plant within a couple of days. Being that you can multiply them very easily, you can make free plants out of them. These plants are ideal for hanging planters. Now you can see my hanging plant. I have taken it for the demo today. So this plant is ideal as a hanging planter because they are very leggy. You can see long leggy. Here they are ideal for hanging planters. Put them in DIY planters. Any small pot they will fit into. So when talking about the watering and also about soil mix, watering will be needed at the times when the soil is dry. You can water them in the morning, once in the morning and once in the evening when the climate is very warm, and once will be enough if you have kept them indoors, or else if you have kept them in a partial to medium sunlight area, one time in the morning will be enough. Wandering Jew plants, according to my experience, will grow in any soil media. You don't need to give them any type of special type of soil media. It's not necessary either. You put them in the dry soil or in any soil mixture, they will grow. But normally these plants prefer some moisture. So better give them some cocoa peat. Add some cocoa peat in the soil mixture, garden soil and sand equal parts, and that will be very much better. But even if you throw them out, you will see that they will grow without any effort. So when you keep wandering Jew indoors as an indoor plant, you will see that these plants are not needed to be watered every day. You can skip regular watering. You can water them once in 3 days. So these plants are beautiful and colorful plants. You can keep them in between your green plants also, and you can do many decorative with these beautiful wandering Jew plants. This is one of the beginner gardeners plants and also one of the most decorative plants. You can use them in your home decor as well. Wandering Jew plants you can grow without any fertilizer as well. Trust me friends, with my experience, I'm telling you all that these plants can be grown without any fertilizer. So this is one of the lazy gardeners plants. If you are a busy person, if you have many work to do, so you can just grow these beautiful plants. And also these plants need not to be watered every day, so that is also another additional thing. You can grow these plants under bigger plants. That is also another thing, so that the plants will not get easily washed away by the rain. So grow this beautiful wandering Jew plant from a single stem and also just a beautiful and colorful plant. So I hope this beautiful colorful leafy plant video touched you. If you do like my video, stay tuned to my channel Tamara's Garden, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe now for more upcoming gardening videos. Thanks for watching friends. Stay tuned with me.